So this is a regular sheet of typing paper. I've got a marker. And what I'm going to do is divide the paper into 6 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an area where you can describe what happens in the shot, and this is the area where you draw what happens in the shot. And for this scene, we're going to do a scene between Jack and his mom in Jack and the Beanstalk, where he is talking to his mom and explains that he spent all the money on these beans. She gets angry and she throws the beans out the window. He goes to sleep. He wakes up the next morning and there's a giant beanstalk out the window. So there's many ways to shoot that, but one simple way for you to shoot it would be maybe to start inside the house. So here's Jack's mom. This is just a simple, here's the floor. This is Jack. And he's showing her in his hand the beans. So here he is talking about it. She's getting angry. And here's a window behind her, an open window. So she's getting angry because she thinks he got swindled, or he didn't get the cow that she asked him to get. Instead, he got these what she thinks are worthless beans. So in the next shot, see the close-up of Jack's hand, and Jack's showing the beans that he got. And in this shot, Jack's mom, her hand comes in to grab the beans. So in this one you could write, Mom gets angry at Jack. You right here, Mom grabs beans. And then in this one, maybe it's closer on Mom as she's yelling at Jack, upset about he didn't do what she said. And she throws the beans out the window behind her. So here's the window behind her. And there's the beans flying out the window. And you can indicate an arrow like, okay, there they go. Then in the next shot, shot number 4, this can be outside. There's some weeds. It's the ground. And the beans come flying in and land on the ground. So the next shot, you see the beans landing outside the house. Then Mom tells Jack to go to bed. Maybe she's pointing, go to bed. And then in the foreground, Jack is sad. He lays down. Here's a pillow. He's in bed. Here's a window behind him. Okay, then maybe you get a close-up of the moon. It's nighttime. Some stars. That's shot 6. So now we have 6 shots to tell this story. Get another piece of paper. Divide it again into 6 shots. This is pretty simple. Okay. And you can write in here what happened, you know. Jack goes to sleep, or to bed. The moon. Over here, Mom throws the beans. This is the beans landing. Okay. Next one. Now we're on shot 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this one, we could do a title card, and we can say, the next morning. You could show the sun is up. And close-up of Jack's face. He's awake now. Here's the pillow. So Jack's awake. And then in the same shot, you could have Jack now, you could see the side of his face. You could see he looks over. Something catches his attention, but we don't know what that is yet. Jack looks. And then this is cutting back to this shot here. But now it's in the morning. And Jack is the back of his head. This is hair. Maybe he's still in bed, but he's up on one arm. And he's looking out the window behind his bed. And what does he see? A giant beanstalk has grown overnight. So you can even use a little color on that. Look at that. There's a giant beanstalk. And then lastly, what does Jack feel about this? You cut back to his close-up. He's amazed and happy. That the beans actually grew. And that's shot 12. So, Jack, happy. That's a storyboard. So you show all these. You have 12 shots to tell an entire story.
Thank you, Mr. Zierhut.
You're welcome. Good luck.